Hello there and welcome back. And in this video, we are about the W-Coin airdrop. So W-Coin has just dropped the latest update, and this update was dropped about an hour ago from this time. All right, about 9 a.m. it was dropped. So the last update that W-Coin dropped was what I couldn't make a meaning out of it. I know you too couldn't make any meaning out of it, so it wasn't worth announcing. But then it's barely a month. Today is 12th of July. 7 days from now, it would have been exactly 1 month since they communicated with the community. But let's put all of that behind us now and look at ahead to what is ahead of us right now. Today is the 12th of July, and from this update, we're going to be looking at the airdrop dates, authentic, announced, confirmed, and I'm going to show you reasons why I believe this is so and that this is different from whatever announcements, whatever dates they have given in the past. In the past, they had given dates and nothing came out of it. But this time around, the date is authentic, is confirmed from what we're about to read through. So let's look at it. WCoin wrap up. Okay, so let's quickly look at what is there. All right, final stage, mates. The drop is ready. The airdrop is ready. And when is it? July 27th. So in the next 15 days, we should be anticipating. All right. So your coins will be in your wallet. And what we will now be praying for is that all of the tons we have spent will be worth it. Because if what we will receive eventually is not more than 5 to 10 tons, having spent up to 4 tons, you spent 1 ton on W Galaxy, you spent 1 ton on on some other stuff, about half a ton for to claim and other stuff, other expendables. It should be up to 4 tons we have spent. Remember the WNFT, right? Yes. So we spent a whole lot already. So what we expecting shouldn't be anything less than 5, 6 to 10 tons. And so if it's up to 5, 6 to 10 tons, if it's 5 tons, let's say it's the break even. But if it's more than 5 tons to 10 tons, then we can start counting profit. But if it's anything less, as in the worth of what we will receive is anything less, then this would have been a waste of our time and resources. And we want to hope that is going to be on the positive side. So without much ado, let's quickly look at the breakdown. So mate, the drop is ready, July 27th. So mark your calendar. And here's what's locked in. One, blockchain is done. Token minted and on-chain. Now, do you know what it means for a token to be minted and on-chain? For it to be minted means it has been created. Let's see the minting as it's having its a birth certificate. So it now has a birth certificate. It's been created now. It's alive. All right. And on-chain means it's now on the blockchain. Okay. So both of them have been completed. So what happens right here now? It means that everything, the token ID, everything is ready. So it means that there's transparency now. So it's on blockchain, meaning that you can access it, you can check it out, you can go ahead. So we are going to be checking out all of this in the coming days. So be expecting the updates. So airdrop fully calculated and then criteria verified and closed. So it means that any other thing you do from now onwards is irrelevant. All right, as long as the airdrop is concerned. So anything you do from now is irrelevant. It doesn't count anymore. So the criteria has been verified and closed. So you can actually, let's see whether you can actually log in and then check. But let's finish with the tokenomics. So remember the tokenomics already. 60% of the airdrop is going to the community, 10% staking for the community, 9% for the ecosystem fund, and then we have 9% for that's the key opinion leaders and communities. All right. So activity still matters, really. Okay, let's see. Stay engaged, stay visible. It pays off. The W drop is about to go down. So don't blink. Let's finish this the way we started together. Ready, mates? So that's what it is. So let's check it out. I'm going to log in now. All right, so you can see what my balances are there, 996.0481 million. In fact, I wanted to take it to 1 billion, but I got upset at some point. In fact, yesterday I could have pushed it to 1 billion, but I was upset that this delay and quietness has become too much. So let's first of all go straight to the airdrop section. Let's see. Okay, this is it. Get ready for the most massive event ever. Okay, let's see, let's go down, let's see. Okay, calculation is ready. The calculation is finished. Wait until 27th. The airdrop will appear in the wallet you specified. So it's going to appear on the Tom wallet. So now what it means that I can't even know how many airdrops I have got until the 27th. All right, so the waiting game continues. All right, so you can see the summary here. So now next thing, let's go back here. So let's head over to W Galaxy. Let's see whether there's anything to check there. Still coming soon. It is interesting. Excuse me, please. All right, so let's go to the tax section. Okay, so under the tax section, I can't see anything. Or is it because of the way I bent it? Hold on, let me actually turn it. Okay, so okay, I can see the tax are still there. I can still claim this. All right, so I think that's about that. All right, okay, so we will have it there. The WAI intact. Okay, all right, so that's what it is now. So what it simply means is that it's ready. So you have to wait till the 27th, but they say you should keep coming. So what you just do, come in and check in every day until the 7th. So that's just check in for 15 days at least, so that you are not seen as being dormant. I mean, your account being dormant. All right, if you got value, so go ahead and give the video a like. All right, hit the subscribe button if you are to subscribe, and share the video. All right, let your friends who have abandoned their W-Coin get to know. Please let them know, so that we don't miss out these last few days. Okay, and Noah midawase. See you in the next video. Thank you and God bless you.